Have you ever wondered how to upload images in bulk on Amazon on an ASIN level basis? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into this video. Okay, starting off on your main Seller Central page, we're going to head over to the menu on the left-hand side. In Catalog, click Upload Images. Now, it should default you to the tab Bulk Image Upload. If not, select that now. And then what do we see here? So the default page is US/global bulk image upload. So if you were to upload the images in the proper format to this, it will upload to US and globally. If you're only looking to do this for one marketplace, all you need to do is select down here to upload country-specific images. Please click here. That'll bring you to a different page where you can simply select the marketplace and still follow the same process. Okay, so how do we actually do this now that we're on this page? So the idea here, let's say you have a set of 6 images ready to upload to your listing and you want to do it in bulk with this method. So all you need to do is name the files with this formula here, which is the ASIN plus the variant code, plus the file extension. So the ASIN, self-explanatory. The variant code, I'll get into in a little bit. And the file extension is just like the image type, like JPEG, PNG, which should already be defaulted on the file. Now, what variant codes do we use? I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can find these variant codes easily. But essentially what we're dealing with is all here. So for the main image, you would use the variant code main. So it'd be asin.main.jpg. And then if you look down here at variants, and you can see PT01, that would be the first image after the main image. So position 1. And you can see you have a whole range of different variant codes of depending on what you're uploading, such as swatch shots. That's a tough one to say. Interior shots, etc., etc. So let me show you a quick example of how to do this. So I'm going to go back into my account and I'm just going to grab an ASIN real quick as an example. Here we go here, and then I'll open up upload images again. Okay, so I have this test image here and I'm going to set this up to be the main image. I'm going to right click it, click rename. I'm going to start with the ASIN, which I copied. I'm just pasting it. ASIN, then dot or full stop, period, whatever you call it. Then capital MAIN for main. And the .jpg is already the file extension that is defaulted. Enter, that is ready to go. So if I wanted to upload just this one image, I could simply drag it in here and then click upload. Now, what if you wanted to do 6 images at a time? So let's say you have 6 images. You've already done the main one. Then on the second one, you do position 1. So let's rename this. Instead of main, it would be PT01. And then that would be position 1. So just pretend you have 6 images in here. You then have to turn it into a zip file in order to upload it. So all you do is select all the images. Just pretend there's all the images here. Right click it. I'm on Windows 11, but I'm going to click show more options so it applies to everybody. And then what you want to do is with all the images selected, scroll down to or select send to compressed zipped folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as default. And then all you'll do is all those files that now have the ASIN and the proper variant code will all be nice and snuggled in this one zip folder, and all you have to do is drag the zip folder down and click upload. And that's essentially how you upload images in bulk for your ASINs. You can also do it through a flat file, but I do prefer doing it this way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Dylan from ANZ Joy. Thank you.